Hello, in front of me I've got XIAOMI 11T. In this video I'll show you how to edit camera modes. In the beginning, enter camera and tap on more icon. Now tap here to edit. And here we've got our start screen. And here we've got more features. To add icons to start screen, tap and hold on them and drag them to start screen. Then tap this button to save. Go back and it's done. To erase them, again go to more, tap this button, feature layout, and drag them back to more features. Confirm, and it's set. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.